This video will demonstrate how to add images to your state report website. In this tab, I have opened the website Pix4Learning, which is a great, safe place for students to search for images. I'll type the name of my state in the search field here, and these are the results. I'll click on the image of this Webster County Courthouse image that I want to use, and in the next window, I'll click on the blue Download this image button. This brings up a little pop-up window where I'm confirming that I want to download this file. To download a file means that the file is saved onto your computer. Notice the name of the file right here. That will help you locate the file once it's saved to your computer. Go ahead and click on OK, and the download begins. Now, over in your state report website, click on the pencil to go into edit mode, and then scroll down to this area here that's been set aside for images. Place your cursor there where you want to insert the first image. Then click up here on the insert link. Notice that there's an image option here, but clicking on that will not allow you to add a caption. So we're going to click instead on text box. In the pop-up window, delete the title of the gadget, and then here where it says width, go ahead and type 400 pixels. So this is about the size of half of a web page width. So we want our text box to be about that size. Next, click on Insert, and now we're going to click on Image. These are images that I've previously uploaded, but I want to demonstrate how to upload the image. So click on Upload Image, and then this is the file here. It's in my Downloads folder. So you can click on your Downloads folder and find the image there. So there it is right there. Or if some other file opens up in your computer directory, click in the search field and start typing the name of the file, and make sure you have it checked to search the entire computer, not just the desktop like I had here. And you'll see a list of the files, and there's the one right there that I want. Click on Open, and it's uploading the file right here. Uploading it into your website. Then click OK. So now you'll see, if you click in here, you'll see the image, but it's gigantic. So we don't want to do that. Scroll to the bottom of the image and then click on the image, and you'll get some options here. You can choose small or medium for your picture. I'm going to choose small, and then I'm also going to choose align center. So we want that to be in the center of our text box. Place your cursor below the image, and now we're going to add the caption. So you need to add a caption that includes the attribution of the picture, of the image. So remember, attribution is who you're thanking, who you're giving credit for allowing you to use this image. Let's go back to the Pix4Learning website, and here beneath the blue download image, you'll see all the information. So this was the photographer Lydia Shipley, see right there. And all of these are images that are free to use in schoolwork. You can see that information right here. But we do want to give credit to Lydia Shipley and to the website. So we're going to come back here, and beneath the image, we're going to type image courtesy of Lydia Shipley on Pix4Learning.com. And with your cursor still in that line of text, go ahead and make that also center in the middle. And I'm just going to quickly go back here and make sure I got the name correct. Lydia Shipley, got it here, and then we're going to click Save. And notice here in your website, it's just this empty box. So go ahead and save it. And now you can see that it's there in that location with the information you want there. You can also add images using the URL of the image without downloading to your computer. So here is, you start with on a Google image page, and I'm typing Iowa again. Then here, remember to click Tools, Usage Rights, labeled for non-commercial reuse. I'm going to scroll down, and I like this one here. So I'm going to View Image, and at this point here, click in the URL and copy that. I'm going to use a keyboard command, Command C, to copy that. And then I'll go back to my website, go into edit mode. I'll put my cursor below the previous image that we added. Insert, text box, remove the title of the gadget there. Type 400 here, insert image. But this time I'm going to switch and click web address URL. And I'll paste the URL that I copied from the other page. If the URL is correct, you'll get immediately a preview here. If you don't get a preview, you may not be able to add that image with URL. You may have to go ahead and download it. Then I'll click OK. Here again is the preview, and it's really big. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the image, click on it, and I'll choose small or medium. Do medium this time, and I'll align center. Then I'm going to scroll down and put my cursor below it once again. I need to go back to the page here, the search page, and I'm going to click on Visit. Remember, when you click on Visit, it takes you to the actual location where that file is found. And I'm going to, this is a Wiki Commons area, and click on Use this file. Notice one of the options is the attribution. And notice it says underneath here, using this file might require attaching a full copy of the GFDL. So just to be safe, I'm going to copy that entire information there. Go back to my website and paste it underneath there. And then I'm going to highlight it and make it center align as well, and save. I'm going to save my page and take a look at it there. That looks pretty good. Discovery Education also has many images that are copyright friendly, and it's a great place, a safe place for students to search. Because our school has a subscription, we can use any of the images in any school project. So go ahead and log in to Discovery Education using your school login information. Once you're here on the home page, click in the search field, and I'm going to type the name of my state. And now I'm going to search for images. Notice here there's all different types of materials in Discovery Education. I'm searching for images, and that gives me 36 results. I'm going to scroll down and select this image of Paushik, a fox Indian. This is a preview. I want to click full view. And then I want to click preview once again, because this is going to open a page where I can get the URL. And I want to add this using a URL. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my website, click on the pencil to go into edit mode. I'm going to place my cursor down below the last image we inserted and go through the process again. Insert, text box, remove the title, 400, insert image, and I'm going to switch to URL, paste. I immediately get the preview, which means that this is going to work. I'll click OK. And then again, it's a really big image, so I'm going to scroll to the bottom, click there, and select either small or medium. I think I'll go medium on this one, and align it center. Place my cursor beneath the image, go back to the Discovery Ed website, and this time I want to go back to this page here. Scroll down, and here are there's citations here, so we're going to get that. But notice this also has a caption about this image. So in this case, I also want to copy that. I like that, so I'm going to use it. Highlight, copy, paste that here. Go ahead and center that text. Then I'm going to place my cursor below that, go back to the page here, and copy the citation information. Highlight, copy that, come back here, and paste it there. Now notice that the title of the image is repeated again here, and I don't need that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And this is just a good reminder when you are working in your website, don't just mindlessly follow instructions in a video, but pay attention yourself to what looks right. It doesn't make sense to have that title repeated again here, so go ahead and delete it, and then you have the other information here that cites Discovery Education. We're going to go ahead and save that, and then save our page up here. And then take a look at your image and see if you like it there. If any of the images that you insert here, you don't like the way it looks, something just looks off, go into edit mode, click on the gadget, and then click on this little gear that allows you to go back into edit mode there.